Ever wonder what the 1% of people do with their money while the rest of us dig for spare change? Spoiler alert! It is not all about luxury and extravagance. Welcome to the world of smart money management, where the wealthy play chess and the rest of us play checkers. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. Okay, so now you might be thinking, why should I care about the 1%? Because their strategies can help your wallet breathe easier. Let me introduce to you the 75-15-10 rule, a simple yet powerful way to handle your finances. No matter if you make $10,000 or $1 million, the rule is the same. Spend 75% on living expenses, save 15%, and invest 10%. It is a straightforward plan to help you build wealth, no matter where you start. Let us start with the 75%. Here's the deal. For every dollar you earn, only up to 75% goes to your everyday needs and wants, from rent to those irresistible gadgets. But here's the magic. If you can live on less than 75%, you're not just good with money, you are a financial wizard. But why 75%? It encourages two key habits: thriftiness and appreciating value. Picture yourself debating between premium and regular gas. It is practically Shakespearean. Even millionaires face these choices. Yes, real-life tycoons hunt for happy hour deals and split checks down to the last penny. Money doesn't change the thrill of a good bargain. Living below your means isn't just about saving money. It is about upgrading your lifestyle. It makes you re-evaluate what truly adds value to your life. That $5 iced coffee could be your ticket to efficiency and peace if it boosts your productivity. It is about choosing value over mindless spending. So, you've mastered living on 75% of your income like the 1%. Now it's time for the next key step, the 15% saving strategy. Think of this as your financial parachute for when life gets turbulent. Set aside 15% of every dollar you earn for savings. Yes, even if it means your weekends are more about quiet nights than exciting outings. This 15% isn't for splurges or prepping for doomsday scenarios. It's specifically for your future. Let us talk about the importance of an emergency fund. Picture this: you're sailing along smoothly until your car breaks down, or your washing machine floods the basement. This is when your emergency fund steps in to save the day. It is your financial hero, protecting your budget from unexpected expenses. Now, consider automating your savings. Think of it as hiring a trustworthy financial assistant. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right after you get paid. Your future self will be grateful and might even give you a mental high five. This method ensures you're consistently saving without needing heroic willpower every month. Because, let's face it, we are all one irresistible deal away from spending our savings impulsively. Lastly, the 10% goes to investing. Yes, you can invest even if you're not rich. Investing is not solely for the rich people only. Picture this: you, lounging comfortably while your money works harder for you. Investing is where the real financial magic happens. And you don't need to be a wizard to make it work for you. Let us start with the basics. Rule number 1. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is like financial sunscreen. It protects you from getting burned. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. So, what should you invest in? Stocks are the daredevils. High risk but potentially high reward. Bonds are the sensible ones. Like your friend who always has an umbrella, offering steady but moderate returns. Real estate? That's the friend with the vintage Nintendo, providing long-term value. Depending on your risk tolerance, you can mix these to create a well-rounded investment portfolio. Risk management is essential. It is the safety net for your financial acrobatics. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and always keep an eye on market trends. Understand that while high returns are tempting, the fall can be harsh. A balanced portfolio and continuous learning are your best friends here. Alright, so now that you know about the 75-15-10 rule, and assuming that you will follow it and you will thrive from it. Let me talk to you as early as now about how to avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when you get too excited with how your money works and you've upgraded your lifestyle into something you can't even support for 5 years or so. Because even if you don't admit it, as your income increases, your spending habits often follow suit. You might start feeling like you deserve gourmet meals, buying all the stuff from your cart, upgrading tech, and luxury trips. While treating yourself isn't wrong, it is much more important to have moderation in expenses. It is important to stay grounded as your income grows. Remember your financial starting point and keep your focus on your long-term goals. Sure, it is tempting to indulge when you see a bigger paycheck, but those millionaire habits, like carefully splitting a dinner bill or more than just quirks, they are key to building wealth. Lastly, stay focused on your long-term objectives. It's easy to get distracted by the latest purchase when you're busy posting on social media. Keep your eye on your bigger goals, whether that's retiring early, buying your dream home, or achieving significant financial success. Oh yeah, and before you start budgeting, you've got to know what works for you. Start by writing down what you earn and what you spend. Yep, everything from rent, groceries, internet, and even that coffee you can't live without. Write everything down. Don't worry if things look a bit tight at first. That's completely normal. Now, here's a cool trick. You can use an application like Mint to keep track of things. It is way easier than doing math in your head, trust me. Or if you prefer using your own Excel sheet, that works too. You can customize and add some graphs to it if you're that kind of person. The key is to be flexible. Life happens, right? Maybe you splurged on concert tickets or got a surprise bonus. Just adjust your budget and keep going. Remember, a budget isn't about depriving yourself. It is about spending smarter so you can do more of what you love. Who knows, you might even save enough for that dream vacation or that fancy gadget you've been eyeing. And there you have it, the secret formula. 75% for spending, 15% for saving, and 10% for investing. This straightforward approach simplifies financial management, making it accessible to anyone regardless of their financial background. Allocating 75% of your income to spending ensures that your immediate needs and lifestyle choices are adequately covered. Meanwhile, setting aside 15% for saving provides a safety net for emergencies and future expenses, helping to build a stable financial foundation. The remaining 10% dedicated to investing allows your money to grow over time, taking advantage of compound interest and market opportunities to build long-term wealth. Whether you're earning a modest salary or swimming in cash like a Hollywood star, these principles can steer you toward wealth. Don't just sit there and cry about your money. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos that will help you become financially literate, hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos.